you doing, ate? Hindi po ba tayo maglalaro ng online game?
Baby, no muna. Kasi I'm looking for a gown para kay Ate Joey for their prom.
Prom?
It's a dance. It's a school dance for mga junior and senior sa high school.
Kasali ka po?
Baby, not yet kasi I'm a freshman lang. Pero if a junior or senior asks me to go, pwede ako umattend.
Maybe Kuya can ask you.
Pwede rin, baby. Pero kasi he asked Ate Joey na eh. Ay, oo nga pala. I'm gonna look for a suit din for Kuya, yung babagay sa isasuggest ko kay Ate Joey. Baby, wait lang. I'll answer that lang. Hello, Ate Joey? May napili ka ng design. O sige, Ate Joey, can you send it to me? Kasi I'm choosing din for Kuya. Tapos pipili ako ng bagay sa dress mo. Okay. Sige, thanks, Ate Joey. Bye! Yan.
Ate Ninji, Kuya Nicolo is a senior, right?
Yes, baby. Why?
You can go to the prom. He's inviting you.
What?
Hi, Nix. Seryoso ako, ah. Pwede bang ikaw isama ko sa prom?
Naku, baby. He's just making me asar.